Now that your lawns are starting to green up and you've raked all the leaves and the city has picked them up, you're noticing some patches.
Right.
Whether from your dog,
Snow mold.
snow mold. So what should you be doing to like spruce up your lawn, Gail?
Well, generally, if they're very small spots, if they're like 6 inches or so, they'll probably fill in on their own. But if they're a foot or so, you might want to think about overseeding or reseeding those little spots. And that can be easily done by just taking a garden rake and roughing it up a little bit and sprinkling on one of these products that just will provide some seeds, some mulch, and then you water. Just keep them watered. It's easier at this time of the year because it's cooler and they don't dry out as fast, but you want to keep them moist so they can germinate and grow. Some of the mixes are like a one-step application. Easy Seed has mulch, seed, and fertilizer all in one, as does the end cap product, same thing. Those are very easy to use, and you just sprinkle them on your spot and water, and away you go. They should be up very quickly.
And if your lawn is thin and you're just overseeding,
Yeah.
and then you would put down a separate fertilizer and maybe some straw or
Sure.
something to
And
protect
a separate
it.
seed, right?
Yes.
And Scott's actually makes a product called MicroLawn. It has seed, fertilizer, and a soil improver all in one.
That's
so
exciting.
You put that on with a fertilizer spreader, and again, water when you get it on, because once it starts to grow, you don't want to let it dry out until it gets well established.
And you want to get the right seed for if you have a sunny area or a
Right.
shady area. And one
Right.
thing that we have in new that this year that I'm like super excited because I have a shady yard.
Yeah.
Gail's been talking to me about this for a couple years.
Yes.
Micro clover.
MicroLawn with a micro clover in it, and it's a mixture of tall turf fescue and the new little micro clover that acts as kind of a ground cover almost to shade the weed seeds from growing, and it grows in sun to partial shade. And it sounds like it'll be a new low maintenance type of lawns, because once it's established, you shouldn't have to spray for weeds anymore, and you shouldn't have to fertilize. The clover feeds the lawn or keeps it green, and it also crowds out the weeds. So
Super exciting.
good concept.
Yes, so stop in and pick up some grass seed to fill in some bare spots this weekend, and happy spring from all of us here at the Bruce Company.